In Lagos, they rob us every day. Go dey traffic, they go rob you. Anywhere, you are not even safe. People go shout. The government like say police no reach. Like they are short of police. But once youth just announce say they want protest, my brother, if you see police everywhere, that's to tell you that the system is there to protect itself, not you.
There's no mercy for money. But you the cash. Below me, you cash. Shopping and spending the cash.
You know, so as we know they see money, I say more here. Havana. The show for M.O.P don't make her. He go park for my house this month. Baba, food where these boys they chop. If you not careful, see you see village, because you go they form caring. Anyway, Port Harcourt, Havana. I don't really get stressed because any money won't pay and I'm M.O.P Holland. So I can't stress myself for him. A father cannot die for his son. Yes, can't die for his son. I don't tire. But the kind stuff we did in Nigeria now, I nearly envy people who died last year. Because they say at least them, they don't already, this concern them. Because nothing there, no fuel, no money, no. You call the password the very person, you call the envious. Baba, your own good, oh. No really see what they go on. Nothing. People are frustrated. Nothing they work, even betting. Anybody who bets now, they lose. Nobody else now lose today. Like me, I know they bet football. If I want bet now boxing, at least if I lose, I know say person will make me lose. They don't beat and well. Idiot. Blowing left eye made the blast the crazy. They help me beat and made it okay. Because we're all frustrated, man. Look at the country. Nothing they to. Like say we die alive, we don't die. Because you die and alive with this. So if they show you your picture now, you go right alive. You wait 2 hours from now, if you no collapse, man. Bro, Nigeria is crazy, man. I'm tired, man. So most time, because I love Nigerians, we love ourselves. The only problem is say we know they like make some people they enjoy, make some people they suffer. If we want suffer, maybe general. If we go enjoy, that's why we invest for politicians, nothing more. It's to say as we they suffer, they suffer. If we complain, man, die. You're okay, because that's why the area where they stay one sniper take light. First way they check whether na everywhere. You go just open window, thank God, na everywhere. Because you don't realize say as you they reach your neighbor. You get, bro, everybody's less busy, there's no work. That's why somebody where they make minister leave the work. They go about the grant interview for presidential candidate whenever we in a minister here too. Baba work day, 9 weeks get time they sing as they paying them. It's less busy, bro. Even though all the things so weekend they commission. Work no day anywhere. Everybody now to survive, you need different jobs. That's why who open hospital now, they open mortuary. Who no survive go die. The money go still. You have to block it. You go chemist now, they sell beer because they don't know. They don't know where they come from. Especially Igbo men. Baba, if Igbo man market something for you, you don't say Igbo man fish sell water to fish go buy him. Igbo, my friend don't they come back before whole clutches. He get better Lego. I said, where you go? He said, go Alaba. I said, and now you whole clutches. He said, the guy said they do promo. I said, they do promo. Now you buy clutches. He said, Akapi. If that guy advertise for you, go buy coffin. Say the guy they advertise. You know, so every man gets second shop. I don't know who they pay the rent. Just now you get LG, so now on a second shop. Why did you not always do this shop over there? You go can't go that side, you know that's second shop. Any man can convince you. Ask her whether I get Hennessy. If you no get her, the way go make you feel like say Hennessy na got her. Just as you get Hennessy, say na kananga. Na you let to. Na Glenfiddich now. Then you go come buy the Glenfiddich, come reach us. Who send you go come say? Where the NSC was send you, you go come tell her what they tell you. Akananga. Then you come verse. Go meet the woman, call quarrel and say, "Now you tell me say they drink NSC again." Say now Glen. I better take this soon. Give me NSC. You woman no they ever lose. Now you just looking now, no shout. NSC day now, but you go add some more money. You must ask something. I don't enter. I know some one of the things what they get as Igbo people in accent. I don't enter Igbo man shop early morning to 8. He just open beer for me. Said, nah, beer with me, I get back there. I say, who spoil your day? 8 just the knack in the morning. People never even wake up, your day don't spoil. He can now. He said, nah, beer with me. That's why he squeeze face, so just no, I get back there. I said, can I God forbid, I can never join you. Celebrate your way people bad day. I just they come here. He said, now if you go beer, if you no go beer, leave am. I said, I get bad day. Now today, them bomb me. Now my bad day. So, now in birthday, we can't celebrate. So we need to beg each other. Most times when we talk about Nigeria problem, people who affect the most, now they will cost you. You post video to address, they'll say, Baba, face your comedy. At least you know so I get work. You, which one be your work? But I know if you tell you to face anything because you can't face anywhere, so Nigeria is collapsing. Yeah. If you look around, don't let nobody deceive you. There's no system that's designed to protect you. The system is there to protect itself. You don't care about it. Check them now. We go complain about robbery. Like Lagos, where would they stay, where this guy built. By the way, if na Lagos you from come, na God do for you. No need to pay rent again, no. Because Tinubu build Lagos. So if your landlord come, tell him, go call the landlord. Go call your guy. You know, say like every tenant they tell the landlord, say, go call who build Lagos. Now that time we go really know who build Lagos. Because just tell him, say, go call who build Lagos. Go see your landlord. Hey, you see this part of Lagos? Now me build them. Now me build this side. Because it's crazy. Where would they go? We don't know where would they go front, where would they go back. Nigeria is the only country when you travel, you be like, would they go the future? When you come back, you can't come to the past. You can't do present, they do like this, past and future. Everything is confused. It's collapsing now. In Lagos, they rob us every day. Go dey traffic, they go rob you. Anywhere, you are not even safe. People go shout. The government like say police no reach. Like they are short of police. But once youth just announce they want protest, my brother, if you see police everywhere, that's to tell you that the system is there to protect itself, not you. They don't care. So you have to open your eye, because now, all they talk about Nigeria problem, people when they chop belle food go say, I beg anybody want with me, we no concern me, I do okay, no problem. Now when people no see food chop, begin see your neck like turkey.
Subscribe to my YouTube channel, like the video, drop your comments, and turn on the notification button so you see other beautiful videos when they drop.